If your iPhone photos are being saved in HEIC format and you want them in JPEG instead, don't worry, you can change it easily in settings. HEIC is Apple's default format, but JPEG is more widely compatible with other devices and apps. To change this, open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Camera and tap on it. Now tap on Formats. Here you'll see two options: high efficiency and most compatible. If high efficiency is selected, your iPhone will save photos in HEIC format. Simply switch it to most compatible. Once you do this, your iPhone will start saving all new photos in JPEG format instead of HEIC. Just keep in mind that JPEG images take up more storage compared to HEIC files, so your storage may fill up a bit faster. If this video helped you change iPhone photo format to JPEG, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.